Hello all. So today we will build a simple tic-tac-toe using Python. So as you can see, this is the structure of the tic-tac-toe, and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are the rows, columns and rows. Okay. So first we will try to build this structure. For that I will create a function, build tic-tac-toe. Okay, now we have to go through the rows. For row range of 5, and for every row, okay, actually we have to print in the odd one. For example, we have to print this dotted lines only on 1 and 3 rows. So we have to ignore that 0, 2 and 4. So for that what we will do is like we will ignore by finding those numbers which are divisible by 0. So if row divisible by 0, I will do here print space, else print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So but here is a trick. If I do a print statement, obviously that will print after the print it will go to the next line. So while printing this slash, except for that last one, we should be able to continue in the same line itself. So for that we have to loop through the columns. This is for each row. I mean right now for each row I have looped and I have printed that 1 and 3. Okay, so now we have to loop through the columns as well. So for that, for column range of 5, if column modulo 2 equal to 0. If it is modulo equal to 0, we have to print the blank space, else we have to print that slash, sorry, like this. So as I said, if it is if for the fourth one, I mean it should go to the next line, whereas for the rest of the ones it should be able to continue to print in the same line. So for that we have to write one more if statement. If column equal to 4, so if the column is 4 and this one, else print. So if I give n, so it will the print will not move to the next line and it will append a space. Same thing we have to give for here. Okay, invalid syntax. Okay, now we will build this tic-tac-toe off. Okay, so this is the basic structure. Now we will populate that XO for 2 different players. For that what we have to do is like we have to give 2 set of input parameters. One is to enter the row and another one is to enter the column. and based on that they have to pass it, I mean we have to fill that spaces. Okay, so what we'll do is like we will create one empty matrix, matrix that will have rows and columns. Since we have see our rows and columns ranges from the actual value is what we are going to print here in the blank spaces, I mean 0, 0 and 0, 2 and 0, 4. I mean in those places only we will either pass x or o, right? So we have to ignore this x, this horizontal lines and this vertical bars. So if you consider only those empty spaces, and it will be like a 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay, so first of all I will initialize like this. Okay, so this is an empty matrix. Now while true, now we have to get the values. Okay, so int of enter the row. Enter the column. Okay, now once we get that, we have to see which player is playing. Let's say we have 2 players and this is his player 1. I'm printing here print player done. Okay, now if player equal to 1 player, the first player, and he has to choose the rows and column. I mean once he enters the rows and columns, he will be entering the x. So let's say player 1 will enter x and the player 2 will enter o. So before that he has to check whether that space is empty. I mean we cannot overwrite. So matrix of row val call val if it is blank, then matrix of row val call val equal to x. Then he has to go for player 2. Now it's players 2 turn. So else matrix row val call val okay, sorry. Okay, okay, now whenever a player plays, it will go for that so once the player 1 enters the x, it will automatically go to the player 2, will ask the player to enter the corresponding rows and columns. Now we will print now we will print the matrix. First we'll print the matrix here, then we'll see. Invalid syntax. Okay, so double. Okay, enter the row 0 0. It's a player 1 turn. So in place of 0 comma 0, x has been substituted. Now I am giving 0 comma 1. So 0th row and first column. Okay, where is it? Okay, it didn't substitute over there. Let me see. If player equal to 1, if matrix row val equal to null, then we are substituting 1, then to go for the player 2. If player 2, if matrix of row val col val equal to 1, then we are printing row val col val equal to O. It will go for player 1. Print matrix. It should work. I'll put here on the first place. Okay. 0 x player 2 turn 1 comma 1. Okay, so that 0 is not getting substituted. See, again it is going for player 2 turn. Let me see that. Player 1 turn. Player 2 turn. Player equal to. Okay. Shit, man. It should come here. Sorry. Okay, now we will execute this. Okay, 0 x now for 0 1 1. So now that xy has been substituted. Same way each player will have 1 turn. X 0x. Now this is in the matrix form. Now in the place of that actual TikTok structure, we have to replace the values. So for that we will call the actual what is that build tic-tac-toe of matrix, and we will comment this. We have to make some changes here because we are fetching that matrix, right? Matrix, and here I mean the rows and columns, it will loop for each including the blank space as well as that slash as well as that horizontal line, but we have to consider only that these empty spaces where we have to fill that values. Okay, so actually these values are nothing but see, if you consider this one, so where I have to fill in 0, 2 and 4 if I consider it as a column wise, and same way if it is a row wise I have to fill only in 0, 2 and 4. So these are all even numbers, right? And if I need to convert into that matrix representation, I can just simply divide it by 2, so that it will have like a 0 1 2 and 0 1 2. So like this. So matrix row equal to int of row divided by 2. So for each row from 0 to 4, while we are looping and we are considering only that places where you have to fill, so that is a even numbers which is divisible by 2 or the numbers which are divisible by 2, and same thing goes for columns as well. Matrix col equal to int of col divided by 2. Now here, instead of the blank spaces, we will have to print the actual matrix values. Print matrix of matrix row, matrix column. Same thing we have to print here. So basically, instead of the blank space, we are replacing with X or O values. Simple. Okay, sorry. Now we will execute. This has been executed, and we will remove this, and we will execute that matrix 1. Okay, 0. Okay, what is error? COL is not defined. Matrix, where is it? COL. Okay, column, sorry. Okay, now the text has been substituted in that 0, 0. Now I will put what else? Now player 2, he wants to fill O in that top bottom right corner. So that is 0, 1, 2, 2. So 2, 2, O. Okay, now player 1 wants to put X in the middle, that most center element part. So that is 0, 1, 1, 1. So 1, 1, and X. So in this way we can actually build that tic-tac-toe, and if we provide more number of if conditions in this, and we can say who is a winner by checking whether the diagonals are same, or that horizontal wise or vertical wise. So whoever meets the first one, they can be considered as a winner. So that we will take it later. So this is a overall, it's a basic simple tic-tac-toe generator using Python.